हेलो एवरीवन। हेलो। आई होप आप लोग अच्छे हो, मज़े में हो, क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हो एंड यू पीपल आर लर्निंग एंड enjoying at the same time. In this short video, we are going to do series of two questions. Both are PYQ of J Advanced and they are from thermodynamics. ठीक है? So let's start with the first one and I really want to thank you Somidhi for asking this question. Let's start with the question. So there is a gas and that is enclosed in a cylinder with a movable frictionless piston. Then a piston is frictionless, so it is not going to, I mean, interfere in the energy thing. यानी कि इसकी वजह से कोई एनर्जी लॉस नहीं होने वाला, ठीक है? इट्स इनिशियल थर्मोडायनेमिक स्टेट एट प्रेशर दिस एंड दिस इज दिस। ओके, सो थर्मोडायनेमिक स्टेट को हम कैसे दिखाते हैं? जैसे पीवी कर्व ले लो। So in PV curve, if you take any dot, that dot indicates thermodynamic state of that system at any instant of time. So here at this point, let's call it point A. And at point A, it has a pressure of Pi and volume of Vi. So let me indicate it by this. So in thermodynamics, basically these points acts as a coordinate. Pi and Vi. Okay? So A का coordinate ये है. Now this changes to a final state PF and this in an adiabatic quasi-static process. Okay? Quasi-static meaning what? I mean very slow process here it is, this adiabatic process. And finally it is reaching somewhere and that is expansion you can clearly see, right? Volume is increasing, pressure has decreased, sort of it is compression. Sorry, it is expansion, right? So अगर आप इसको expand करो तो क्या होगा? कुछ ऐसा, ठीक है? So it is something like this. Pressure has what? Decreased. So pressure decreased and volume has increased. So let's call it point B and this is your PF and VF. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Process P3, I mean for this process, the equation that we are getting is P3V5 equal to constant. ठीक है? So यहाँ से आप देख लो इसको क्या लिख सकते हो? P3V5 is constant. इस पूरे को क्या करो तुम? 1/3 से 1/3 का पावर डाल दो, इधर भी 1/3 का पावर डालो. This will become how much? PV 5/3 equal to some new constant K dash. But still that is a constant, right? And PV gamma equal to constant. It seems like where gamma is value is how much? 5/3. And gamma is 5/3 for monoatomic gases, right? So this one is a monoatomic gas. Consider another thermodynamic process that brings the same system from initial state to the final state. So now we are not going to take the system from A to B through quasi-static adiabatic process. Rather, we are choosing two other states or two other ways. ये दो रास्ते अलग अलग लेगा इस बार. And what are those different ways? First, it will go through isobaric expansion. So isobaric कहने का मतलब pressure will remain constant but at the same time it will expand. So isobaric expansion, चलो यहाँ तक ये आया. And after that it will go isochoric process at volume VF. So final volume देखो यहाँ पे pressure क्या है? यहाँ पे pressure PI है, volume क्या है? VF है. ठीक है? And at this point what it will go, what path it will adopt? It will adopt isochoric path. So ये कुछ ऐसे आ जाएगा. समझ रहे हो? ऐसा. So finally it is also reaching at point B. Now what we are asked is the amount of heat supplied to the system in the two-step process is approximately. In this process, when we were taking the system from A to B through the path of adiabatic process, कोई भी heat का concept नहीं था. Adiabatic है heat zero, right? बट यहाँ पे जब आपने आइसोबारिक और आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस लिया है कुछ ना कुछ हीट का एंट्री या एग्जिट हुआ है. सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर दैट हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट. सो इन द फर्स्ट प्रोसेस को आप क्या बोलोगे? आइसोबारिक है एंड सेकेंड वन इज आइसोकोरिक. सो इट इज लाइक दिस. आइसोबारिक प्रोसेस में हीट को आप क्या लिखते हो? हीट एक्सचेंज को Q विल बी इक्वल टू NCP डेल्टा T, है ना? Because C is what? Molar specific heat capacity at constant pressure and it is coming from A to this point at constant pressure. So in this process what is the heat exchange that we can write as NCP delta T, right? Now let's write the values. So N का value is not given. N delta T को एक सेकंड, जो पता है पहले वो लिख लो। एन डेल्टा टी, सीपी को क्या लिखोगे? दिस इज अ मोनोएटॉमिक गैस, सो यू विल बी राइटिंग 5/2r। सो वी हैव 5/2 nr डेल्टा टी। अब आप nr डेल्टा टी की जगह क्या लिखने वाले हो? तो ध्यान से सोचो, यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रोसेस चाहे कोई भी हो, पॉलीट्रॉपिक हो, एडियाबेटिक, आइसोकोरिक, आइसोथर्मल, व्हाटएवर इट इज, आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन यू कैन ऑलवेज राइट if the gas is ideal, so PV equal to nRT। अब देखो ये जो प्रोसेस हो रहा है ना, ये कैसे स्टेट में हुआ है? कांस्टेंट प्रेशर पे हुआ है। टेक द पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन ऑन द बोथ साइड, सो यू विल बी राइटिंग P डेल्टा V प्लस V डेल्टा P इज इक्वल टू NR डेल्टा T। ठीक है, अब देखो कांस्टेंट प्रेशर का केस है, सो दिस विल गेट कैंसिल्ड एंड यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ P डेल्टा V इज इक्वल टू NR डेल्टा T। सो NR डेल्टा T कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाई P डेल्टा V। अब यहाँ पे आप साइलेंटली इसको लिख दो 5/2 P डेल्टा V। So how much the value will be? 5/2 at what pressure this expansion has occurred, initial pressure, and that was equal to 10 to the power 5 into change in volume. So initially volume was how much? That was 10 to the power minus 3. Finally it is 8 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this thing has occurred at a pressure of 10 to the power 5. Okay, so now let's write the change in volume. So that is 7 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this will give you how much? 35. 35 divided by 2 into 100. Okay, so something 50 into 35, and if you are going to solve it, how much we will get? Yes, we will get 1750 joule. So we are getting positive value. It means what? It means in this process from A to P, let's call it something C. A to C, heat will, I mean, you have got QH positive. QH positive meaning what? You are giving heat to the system. So heat is being given to the system in this process. Now let's talk about CB. अगर आप CB की बात करो तो process CB कैसा हो रहा है? This is isochoric process. And in isochoric process, if we have to talk about heat exchange को हमेशा हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? NC delta T लिख सकते हैं। प्रोसेस चाहे कोई भी हो, अगर तुम्हें उस प्रोसेस के लिए C पता है, that is molar specific heat capacity, then you can simply put the value and get the answer. So here it is happening at constant volume, V is constant. So C को क्या लिख सकते हो आप? CV. This is molar specific heat capacity at constant volume. So NCV delta T. नाउ CV का वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 3/2. सो 3/2 NR डेल्टा टी। अगेन NR डेल्टा टी की जगह आप क्या लिखोगे? फिर से आप यहाँ पे चले जाओ, PV इज इक्वल टू NRT, टेक द पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन, P डेल्टा V plus V delta P is equal to NR delta T. This time volume is constant, so this will become 0 and this will stay. So V delta P is equal to NR delta T. Now put the value. So this is 3/2. NR delta T की जगह क्या रखोगे? V delta P. At what constant volume it is happening? It is happening at constant volume of 8 into 10 to the power minus 3, because that was the final volume, right? 8 into 10 to the power minus 3. And what is the pressure change? Here the pressure was 10 to the power 5 and here the pressure is 1/32 into 10 to the power 5. So if you have to go with this change, then you will be writing what? You will be writing 1/32 minus how much? Minus 1, right? Into 10 to the power 5. So this is going to be how much? इसको ऐसे कट कर लो. So this is 12 into, this was minus 3, right? So 12 into 10 to the power 2 into minus 31/32. So we are getting something negative. Q will be here negative. And Q का value अगर आप इसको solve करो, how much you are going to get? You will be getting 1162 with negative sign, joule. ठीक है, so how much we have got? We have got something like initially we got Q is equal to 1750 joule. ठीक है, एंड फाइनली वी आर गेटिंग हाउ मच इन सेकेंड प्रोसेस? Q1 को ये ले लो, Q2 को हमें क्या मिला? -1162 जूल. सो नेट अमाउंट ऑफ Q का अफेयर क्या है यहाँ पे? Q1 minus Q2. So that way you will be getting the answer. So you are adding these two hits, one is positive, another negative, so automatically they are getting subtracted. Done it? I hope you have got this question. Let's move ahead with the next one. So here is the next one, and this question is very easy, I would say. So consider 1 mole of helium gas enclosed in a container at initial pressure P1 and volume V1. ठीक है, it expands isothermally to volume 4 V1. डन है, isothermal expansion हुआ, and after this the gas expands adiabatically and its volume become 32 V1. The work done by gas during isothermal and adiabatic expansion का जब हम रेशियो ले रहे हैं ना, वी आर गेटिंग एफ एल एन टू, सो वी आर आस्क्ड एफ. सो वर्क डन इन आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस को आप क्या लिखते हो? आप लिखते हो ना एन आर टी एल एन V2 by V1. So let's say initially temperature is T naught. So at temperature T naught, इसका वॉल्यूम आइसोथर्मली एक्सपैंड हुआ है, राइट, 4V1 से. सो इसका अगर आप ग्राफ बनाओगे ना, P से PV ग्राफ बनाओगे, लेट्स से दिस इज द इनिशियल थिंग. आइसोथर्मल एक्सपेंशन का ग्राफ भी ऐसा होगा, है ना, सेम एज एडियाबेटिक एक्सपेंशन, ओनली देयर इज डिफरेंस इन द स्लोप. एडियाबेटिक का स्लोप गामा टाइम्स ज्यादा होता है, ठीक है. सो ओनली डिफरेंस इज देयर. अब देखो यहाँ पे इनिशियल क्या था प्रेशर, इनिशियल प्रेशर इज P1V1, फाइनल प्रेशर इज हाउ मच? Finally pressure is not given, done है, but volume is given, that is 4V1. Let's call it P2. ठीक है, so P2 4V1. उसके बाद after this gas expands adiabatically and its volume becomes 32V1. ठीक है, यहाँ से भी ये adiabatically expand कर रहा है. So again देखो ये हमने ऐसे ड्रॉ किया, अब यहाँ से ये ऐसे कुछ ऐसे फिर से expand करेगा. टू स्टेप हो रहा है, राइट? ठीक है, डन है. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा और बड़ा कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, it is happening something like this, and finally its volume is reaching to 32V1. So work done in isothermal process आप ये लिखोगे, let's say initial temperature is T naught. So here temperature will be T naught also, and here temperature will be something T. Then something like this is going to happen. Agree? Now let's talk about calculation. So if you do the calculation, work done by isothermal को क्या लिखोगे? nr T naught ln V2 by V1. V2 क्या है? 4V1. V1 क्या है? V1. So this will give you how much? nr T naught ln 4. So this is work done by isothermal process. Now let's go with work done by adiabatic process. So work done by adiabatic process को आप क्या लिखते हो? You can write it nr delta t, where delta t, okay, nr delta t by 1 minus gamma. We can write it like this. अब देखो इनिशियली टेम्परेचर क्या है एडियाबेटिक के लिए, ये ऐसा कुछ आया था, फिर ये ऐसा गया, ठीक है. सो इनिशियली टेम्परेचर इज T नॉट एंड फाइनली समथिंग T. इनिशियली वॉल्यूम इज 4V1, फाइनली वॉल्यूम इज समथिंग 32V1, right? It is 32, right? Yes. So it is 32. Now what will be the temperature over here? If we know T as a function of T naught, then we can clearly write here delta T in terms of T naught, right? So let's talk about that. Since this is an adiabatic process, you can always use this thing for this. TV gamma minus 1 is constant. So initially, if you use this expression T naught 4V1 gamma minus 1. Now what will be the value of gamma? So this is a 1 mole of helium gas. This is monoatomic. So gamma will be 5 by 3. So let's put the value of gamma 5 by 3 minus 1. And at this point, if you want to write the same thing, you will be getting T, and volume is 32V1 and gamma minus 1. That is 5 by 3 minus 1. So what will be the value of T? That is T naught 4V1 by 32V1, and power कितना होगा तुम्हारा? That will be equal to 2 by 3. So now let's write it. T equal to T naught, इसको आप ऐसे लिख दो, 4 से 8 टाइम्स में चला जाएगा, एंड T naught ये क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा? देखो 1 by 8 यानी कि 1 by 2 का पावर 3. So 3 into 2 by 3. So you will be getting how much? 2. So 1 by 2 का पावर 2, 1 by 4. So that is T naught by 4. Okay, so T is T naught by 4. Now let's put it here. nr delta t हम क्या लिखने वाले हैं? T naught by 4 minus, sorry, yes, final लिख रहे हैं, T naught by 4 minus T naught, right? So how much we are getting? Minus 3 T naught by 4 into nr, ठीक है, divided by how much? Anything left? Yes, 1 minus gamma. So 1 minus gamma करोगे कितना होगा? 5 by 3. So that is minus 2 by 3. So you will be getting 9 T naught nr by 8, right? डन है 9 nr t naught by 8. So this is work done by adiabatic and work done by isothermal is how much nr t naught ln4. अब आप रेशियो यहीं पे निकाल लो. वर्क डन बाय आइसोथर्मल, वर्क डन बाय एडियाबेटिक का रेशियो क्या होगा? So one is nr t naught ln4 and another is nr t naught into 9 by 8. So this is this. This will get cancelled and this is equal to how much? 8 ln4 by 9. सो एल एन फोर को आप क्या लिख सकते हो? 2 ln 2. सो 16 ln 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 9. एंड हियर इट इज एफ ln 2, राइट? सो एफ की जगह यहाँ पे क्या है? देखो एफ की जगह है 16/9. सो दिस विल बी 1.7 समथिंग, राइट? So this is going to be the correct answer. I hope you have understood both the questions, and I hope you have no doubt in this. But even if you are having, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Keep solving more number of questions.